This is Robert with Pioneer Smokehouses, and I want to share with you what I do for using wood in my offset smoker. Now, 2/3 of what I use in here is lump charcoal, and then a little bit of briquettes just in case I need a quick light or when I very first start out my smoking process. But when I want to add a little bit of smoke throughout the cook, I find the best way to do that is with a piece of wood. Now this here is hickory. I would normally not use a piece this large, and when I buy it in a box because we don't have a regular supply around here. Now for little starting pieces, something like this would work really good, but when you go to put it in, you're going to want something a little bit bigger. Now this length is not bad. When you look at this length, it's actually a little too long. It's hard to maneuver in there, and it's too big of a piece to light in general. So what I like to do is take a piece like this and split it up into about 4 pieces. So I split that down. I got 3 pieces that are very usable. One that's just a little larger than what I would like, but I can split that again, or I can use it like this. It's not that big of a deal. So now, at this size, I can throw one in at a time. I can lay it in across here like this, or even more. Now, when it starts to go, it will smoke. If I want it to stop smoking, all I have to do is put a little air on it. But that is about the size that I'd like to use, and we just need to wait for those to light. So give us 1 second here, and I'll be right back. We are back, and I wanted to show you real quick that I gave this one a little bit of air and got it to light up. The other one still hasn't lit up, and you can see a little bit of smoke coming off of it. So if you want more smoke in there, then that'll work perfectly. I'm going to go ahead and close this and get back to cooking. But real simple, cut them into small pieces. What we're looking for is something about 1 inch by 1 inch by 6 to 8 inches long. Easy to work with in almost any smoker, and it will light real quick.